everybody, my name is Anna Fisher and I'm going to be one of your teachers at the Irving Arts Center summer camps.
Hi, my name is Kim Black and I've taught at Irving Arts Center in the summer for about the past 10 years.
Even though I've been teaching elementary art in Irving for 8 years now, this will be the first time that I get to officially work with the Irving Arts Center. In this class, we will explore ancient pottery, jewelry, and even fossils. People from tens of thousands of years ago discovered the art of making pottery for functional and decorative purposes. Let's take a look back in time to discover the ancient art of Stone Age pottery and make our own modern-day creations.
These are some of the oldest artworks that we know to exist. They're about 20,000 years old. Most of the artwork that we'll be looking at to replicate in our painting will be the artworks that we discovered at the caves in Lascaux, France. We're going to be using plaster to replicate like a cave wall, and then we're going to be doing some of our own cave paintings on those.